Nice to see you. It's time to sing. So before we sing, we've got to get our bodies ready. So roll your shoulders, get them nice and loose. Shake your hands up. We're going to shake them up high and shake them low. Can you say it like me? And up high, down low, up high, down low. And can you go boom, shake, shake, shake the room. Boom, shake, shake, shake the room. Boom, shake, high, low, low, high. Boom, shake, shake, shake the room. Boom, shake, shake, shake the room. Very good. Let's get our face nice and ready. Can you give it a stretch? What a good stretchy face. Very good. Can you say, I've got a stretchy face, like that? Look at your grown up and go and say to them, I've got a stretchy face. I've got a stretchy face. Good, good, good. What do we need to do? We need to get our breathing ready. Let's brush our teeth. This is helping you get ready for singing. Have a big drink. One more time. Get those ones right at the back. Big drink. Very good. Let's make a big face, as big as we can, with our hands out and our face big and your tongue out. Ready? Nah. And then a tiny squishy face like a raisin. And a big face. Nah. And a tiny face. And a big face. Nah. And a tiny face. And last of all, can you make a noise, an underwater noise like this? And then can you make and last of all Good, well done. We're ready for singing. Fantastic. We're going to sing our hello song. Wave hello, and every time you say hello, we wave hello. Say hello, hello, say hello, hello, say hello, hello, say hello, hello. But of course, we're so smart, we can do it in other languages. Let's do it in Spanish. Hola, say hola, hola, say hola, hola, say hola, hola, say hola, hola. Let's say it in Polish. Cześć, cześć. Say cześć, 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 say cześć. Let's say it in Russian. Привет. Say привет, привет. Say привет, привет. Say привет, привет. Say привет, привет. Beautiful singing. We're all warmed up. Let's start off with a song we all know, and then I'll teach you some new ones. Let's sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. And at the end, can you make a funny face? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. It's nice to make a funny noise, a funny face at the end of it. This little finger on my right. This little finger on my right. This little finger on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Are you making a funny face too? Very good. One more. This little finger on my right. Good. Last week, we were singing a song called Mrs. Santana. Do you remember that one? It goes like this. I'll teach you again in case you've forgotten. It's fine. It goes, Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one. I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Again, here we go. Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one. I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Can you do it again while I play the guitar? I can't do the actions now because I'm using my hands to play the guitar. So I need you to do it. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one. I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Good. Now here's the clever trick. We can sing this in Spanish as well. I'm going to sing a bit and then I'd like you to sing it back. Me, then you. You ready? Me, then you. Here's my go. Can you say, Señora Santana? Your go. Señora Santana. And then we're going to ask, why is the baby cross? Actually, we're going to say, why is the baby crying? Because it fits the song. It goes, Porque llora el niño. You do it. Porque llora el niño. And then, por una manzana. What was the manzana? It was the apple. Por una manzana. You'll go. Por una manzana. Que se le ha perdido. Good. Que se le ha perdido. You'll go. Que se le ha perdido. Then we say, yo te daré una. Yo te daré dos. Your turn. Yo te daré una. Yo te daré dos. And then we're going to say, one for the baby and one for all of you. We're going to say, una para el niño y otra para vos. Should you sing that? Una para el niño y otra para vos. So the whole thing goes, Señora Santana, porque llora el niño por una manzana que se le ha perdido. Yo te daré una, yo te daré dos. Una para el niño y otra para vos. Should we sing the English one and the Spanish one? Mrs. Santana, why is the baby cross? Because of an apple that he has lost. I will give you one, I will give you two. One for the baby and one just for you. You. Should we do it in Spanish? I'll go slow. And if you forget any of the words, that's okay. Do your best. Señora Santana, porque llora el niño por una manzana que se le ha perdido. Yo te daré una, yo te daré dos. Una para el niño y otra para vos. 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 Really good. Well done. Okay, next song. Do you know what? Getting bored here in my music room. I want to go swimming. So do you know what? I'm going to put my goggles on. And do you know what? I'm going to put my swimming hat on. And I'm going to put my armbands on. And do you know what? Got my float as well, because we're going to go swimming. First of all, can you make sure you're nice and loose? Can you do some swimming arms like this? Good swimming arms, well done. And we're going to say, who taught you to swim? Who taught you to swim? And then our song goes, was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? It goes, who taught you to swim? Who taught you to swim? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Should we do it again? I'll play the guitar. Ready? One. Where's those swimming arms? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who taught you to swim? Who taught you to swim? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? And again! Who taught you to swim? Good swimming arms, well done! Who taught you to swim? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? One more time, you ready with fishy dancing? Fishy dancing arms, swimming around a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who taught you to swim? Who taught you to swim? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Was it a sailor or was it a fish in the sea? Very good! Very nice swimming. Marvellous. Man, I had no idea you could all swim so far and so fast. I've got to take my armbands off. 1. Armbands off. 2. Don't need this anymore. Have a nice deep breath. You've been working so hard. Make sure you're nice and loose. Guys, you've done wonderful singing. Thank you so much. It's going to be time to finish. We've got 2 goodbye songs to do. First of all, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. We've had a lovely time. It's time to say goodbye. We wave a little wave. We wave a little wave. We've had a lovely time. We wave a little wave. And we sing our goodbye song, like our hello song. But now we say goodbye. Say goodbye, goodbye, 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 say goodbye, goodbye. Thank you very much. If you really enjoyed singing along with this, you could look at the lower phase singing assembly for this week. We're learning Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. You could look at the upper phase one if you want. You're allowed to. It's all there on the school website. Have a look, sing along. Have a sing with last week's singing assemblies as well. Find anything else in the world to sing along to. All singing is good singing. That's it. I miss you all very much. I hope you're all okay and looking after each other. And I will speak to you and sing with you next week. Bye bye.